Maybe you're out there and you have the old Range Rover Sports, and you want to upgrade the headlights, or you want to do an uplift of the headlights, maybe from 2001 to 2009, to look more modern, or for better clarity. Maybe the headlights that you have, they are a bit dull, and with technology, cars are coming up with are being built with more advanced lighting technology, and most cars actually they are going to blind you on the road. So if you have a 2001 car, the clarity may not be that much, so you can come for these headlights. You can do facelift with this, or alternatively, if yours is broken, just come for them. You see the connector there, that is the main connector. In this headlight, I think they do have one. This is what do you call this part? Ile computer headlight. Yes, kubuki jina yake, but ni computer headlight, the model. These are brand new, never used, never opened. You can see the part number there. So generally zinakaa hivyo, tuko located Kitengela. If you want them delivered anywhere in the country, we do delivery at a fee. And if you want them fixed, we can also do the fixing at a fee. Each go for a cash price of 60,000, but you can also decide to buy the two of them at a cash offer of 120,000 Kenya shillings. So this is Rhino Auto Hub Limited. Our number is 0799 438 100.